Hey there, Genius Junkie fam! Welcome back to the channel where we bring your creative ideas to life with Canva. Today, we're diving into something fun and festive, DIY photo booth props. Whether it's for a wedding, birthday party, or just a fun get-together, these custom props will take your photo booth game to the next level. Let's get started. Creating a new design. First, log into Canva and click on Create a Design. Select Custom Size and set the dimensions to 8.5 by 11 inches, which is a standard letter size. This will give you enough space to create multiple props on one page. We'll be designing everything from mustaches to speech bubbles, so get ready to let your creativity flow. Designing your props. Let's start with some classic props like a mustache. Go to the Elements tab and search for Mustache. Choose a design that fits your style, whether it's quirky, classic, or vintage. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it to your liking. Repeat this process for other props like glasses, hats, lips, and bow ties. Next, let's add some fun speech bubbles. Search for Speech Bubble in the Elements tab and pick a style you like. Type in a fun phrase like cheers or best day ever using the text tool. Customize the font, size, and color to match the theme of your event. Adding decorations. Now it's time to make your props pop. Add patterns or textures by searching in the Elements tab for backgrounds like polka dots, stripes, or glitter. Drag these onto your props and use the Position tool to send them to the back, creating a layered look. Arranging and duplicating. Once you're happy with the design of your first prop, arrange it on your canvas so that it fits nicely with other props. Canva allows you to duplicate elements, so if you want multiple of the same prop, just select the prop and hit Duplicate. This is especially handy if you're making props for a large group. Finalizing and exporting. Before you finalize, double-check your designs to ensure everything is aligned and that the colors look great together. When you're satisfied, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality, then print your props on thick cardstock paper. After printing, cut out each prop and attach them to wooden sticks or straws, and voila, your DIY photo booth props are ready to go. And there you have it, custom DIY photo booth props made with Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative tips and tricks from Genius Junkie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.